What's up, traders? Today we're going to look at AMC. AMC was up about 15% yesterday. And if we look at the hourly chart from tradingview.com, we could see using the Stochastic 833, we could have got in the day before. So, but let's just look at yesterday's action. So we'll look at the 5-minute chart. So if we look at the 5-minute chart, we could see, in the morning, gapped up in the morning, came back down, and if we use our stochastic cross here from the bottom, it's about 10:45, and then we could have sold it up about here, which is around 11:55. So let's look at an option chart. So we'll go here, look at the 10 call. So about 10:45, it was trading about $50, and about an hour later, it was up about 120. So that's roughly 150% if you were able to trade on that. I wouldn't look at the options chart when you're trading, but look at the stock chart. But it's helpful if you see where you can get in and out using indicators or whatever you have. So that's pretty much it for today. Keep your eye out. Again, on the AMC, it still has good volume, and it's, for the most part, it's trading up. If you look at the hourly chart, if you look at the moving averages pointing up, then you get to jump back in when it comes back down and takes a break, and the volume drops a little bit before it goes back up. All right, good luck. See you later.